Yeah, I know. I know. And yes, it has. I have been already. Definitely. 100%. And it's just... Ugh. But you know what? Let's just take that for now and we'll put it over here. How about that? Look, and I'm not saying it's not important. It's massively important. Hugely important. But we're just going to take it for now. Put it over there. And how about you and me, we just go for a little walk in the forest. No, I am not going to murder you. Well, of course I've got a knife with me. I usually have some form of knife. That doesn't sound good at all. But no, the point is, how about we just put that all away for now, and we just go to the forest, and we just go for a little walk, and we soak it all in. How does that sound? Okay, let's go. Okay, we turn off here. Ooh. Okay, we gotta go that way? I think it's over there. Let's go. How do I get down this bank? Oh boy. Well, that was terrifying. Alright, this way. I like these bits where the trees get really, really mossy. Looks like it's got a little beard. It's a bit squishy in here. Oh. I nearly fell. Oh, well, I have to jump this. Oh look, a little river. That's nice. Let's just have a little look at the river. Let's see, I'll put you down in here. How's that? Just listen. I think it might be starting to rain. There's something very unique about being in what is this, pine spruce forest that's been here for a while. The floor is just covered in needles and small bits of stick. When you walk, you just get a very nice, satisfying, crackly crunch as you walk. It's like walking in I've now forgotten the name. It's like walking in Rice Krispies. Listen. Do you know what that is? It's a little eggshell. There's a slug in there. A little eggshell. It must have come from somewhere up there. Life goes on. Let's keep going. I'm looking for something, or somewhere, more to the point, somewhere special. uh, you might find this amusing. What I'm partly burning in here are these, which are wood pellets, or as we know them locally, RHI burners. I'm literally sitting here burning the same stuff that caused the RHI scandal. I got a wood burning stove, not this one, a different one that I want to test, and I thought I would get some of these just out of pure curiosity. And the minimum of them that I could get was a 10 kilo bag, so I'm kind of stuck with it. Come on, give me my cash for ash. This little stove here is one of those purchases that I stick in my Amazon wish list. I get for Christmas and then I typically wind up never actually using. This is the first time I've actually used this, and I got it at Christmas this year. It's made of titanium. But you can basically use it to burn little bits of wood and twigs and stuff. That's my really good kind of outdoors knife. These are handmade by a guy in Northern Ireland called Davy. Brock knives. Brock, of course, being the Irish for badger. Oh, my sleeve nearly went on fire. Oh, that sugar is all congealed. Here's my coffee made from water that I got from a shack over there, filtered and boiled in the fire, and then delicious instant coffee I think I may have stolen from a hotel. Not stolen, it's complimentary at some point, so. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. Oh, I've got a great story for you. Actually, no, it's absolutely disgusting. But, let's see if I can find one here. I was once out for a bit of a trail run through a forest, and you know that crampy feeling you start to get in your guts when you know that, yeah, I think I'm gonna have to go to the toilet in a serious way, probably in about 20 to 30 minutes. Well, I got those cramps, and I was 40 minutes away from the car, and I had nothing with me. Yeah, I had to wipe my posterior with these pine cones, which is not as bad as it looks. I mean, they're well textured, so I don't want to go into details, but yeah, I had to clean and shine my rear end with a number of these little guys. Works surprisingly well. Don't recommend it. Don't recommend it. This is disgusting. I hadn't planned this, but if you are ever in the forest and you do really need to go to the toilet, what you need to do is learn. Yeah, let's go here. What you need to do is learn the tree squat technique. Am I actually going to show you how to do this? You know what? I am. Because we could do with it right now. I will show you the best technique for taking a poo in the forest. That'll do. Right. See this tree here? This is what you do. Lean your back against the tree. Get your trousers and all down around your ankles as low as possible. And then you lean against the tree, put your legs out in front of you. That's very important. Get everything down. And squat yourself down. And now you have ample clearance to do everything that you need to do. And maybe if you're wise, you would have, lined up a little pile of pine cones beside you just beforehand. That's being prepared. I think I've got... I've definitely got a few twigs in my hair. I'm waiting for this client to call. Can't seem to get the exposure right here. I'm shooting this on a new lens. This new lens, which I got for an amazing project that's happening. That was happening at the end of the month, and now isn't happening. And it was the project I was most looking forward to this year. But I got this lens anyway. It's a 10 to 25 f1.7 Panasonic, and it's probably the best lens you can get for Micro Four Thirds. I'm not going to get to use it for that client project now, but it means I now have a lens which will enable me to get some better looking shots for YouTube. So if you like some of the shots you've been seeing, you can give me a big thumbs up and let me know about it. And I'll, blah blah, whatever. The exposure seems to be too high.
That's better now.
I actually have a laptop with me. You see this? Well, yes, very important client. I'm looking at the brief right now. Yes, I can see all the points that you wanted me to make. Oh, no, that's not the sound of wind or... Oh, no. That's not the sound of wind turbines. No, it's just... I had a big lunch and I'm a bit rumbly. Of course I'm in the office and I take your project seriously. Oh. Hello? Okay, right, yeah, this was a little bit strange. If you like this slightly different video, you can let me know and I might do some more kind of slower, slightly outdoor content like this. I figure this might be a nice time to just allow people to, I don't know, come along and just quietly enjoy something. Yeah. But interesting times. I've just accepted that life is going to be different for a while. Personally, I believe everything happens for a reason, even like the bad stuff. There's always some kind of ultimate purpose in it that's good, which can be a pretty hard thing to wrap your head around right now, but yeah. So yeah, okay, I'm gonna go, but in the meantime, stay safe, get outdoors, and please wash your hands.